As of November 22nd, was that yesterday? Yeah. Sheesh, y'all. November's almost over. Suits pour in with New York Adult Survivors Act set to expire after ex abuse cases against Trump and Cosby. I didn't see anything about Trump yet. So this is May 24, 2022. Kathy Hochul is signing this bill with all these people standing around all happy about it. Is that what was going on here? Child. Are they saying anything?
It's a very short law too, isn't it? This is simple and powerful. Okay. The bill is signed.
Girl, good night. Pick a bed and go to sleep.
They were quite happy, y'all. Quite happy. Quite happy. Essay claims against famous men poured in Wednesday as a New York law that launched more than 2,600 lawsuits in the last year was set to expire, with victims saying the special legislation gave them a shot at justice and healing. The Adult Survivors Act, signed into law by Governor Kathy Hochul May 24, 2022, sparked high-profile suits against the likes of Donald Trump and Bill Cosby when it lifted the usual time limit to sue over an alleged essay for a 1-year period. Well, if it went into effect, okay, I don't know. Well, I'll have to see. Which began last Thanksgiving, okay, will end at the close of Thursday. Well, the damn things ain't open, so I guess that's why they rushed yesterday to do it. I didn't know that I would have a chance at justice, Lori Maldonado, who was allegedly AB'd by disgraced gynecologist Robert HASN in 2012. This policy has deeply impacted my life. Lord, at least 2,600 claims, some on behalf of more than one person, have been filed in state courts under the ASA, Adult Survivors Act, though several others have also been brought in federal. The figure could also increase significantly by the time the look-back window closes, with several suits coming in as the deadline approached Wednesday, including one from penthouse model Sheila. Girl, good effing bye. Sheila Kennedy. Let me keep my opinions to myself. Sheila Kennedy, who accused Guns N' Roses frontman Axl Rose of violent essay her in a New York City hotel room in 1989. What's the math on that? That's when I graduated from high school in 89. So that's 30 some odd years. And this is where you get your closure? Sorry, this is where you get your closure? What the hell? Actor Cuba Gooding Jr. was also slapped with 2 suits on Wednesday by 2 women who say he groped and forcibly kissed them in separate incidents in Manhattan, to which the Jerry Maguire actor pleaded guilty to in 2022 on downgraded charges of harassment. Wait, is it new or is it old? I guess that one is the old charges. Was slapped with the 2 suits Wednesday. It makes it sound like there's 2 more suits, right? Is that what that sounds like? All right. Maybe I'm reading it wrong. Also on Wednesday, like yesterday, model Minerva Patolio filed a suit against renowned photographer Terry Richardson under the ASA, claiming he forced her to give him singular X during a 2004 shoot and later published pictures of it in an art exhibition in a 2006 book without her consent. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Attorneys representing SA survivors said that while the window opened by the ASA was too short. Oh, it was too short. It was too short, y'all. Okay. They took solace in the fact that victims still have until 2025 to file SA claims under a little known city law called the Gender Motivated Violence Act. Prominent figures, celebrities, doctors, and state prisons sued. Damn, not the prisons. The ASA grew out of the Child Victims Act, which opened a 2-year look-back period from So a 2-year look back in my mind means that you get to look back for the last 2 years. That's how I read it. That's what it means in my business anyway. From August 2019 through August 2021 to offer adult survivors the same recourse that victims of childhood abuse had been afforded. It gave many victims an opportunity to try to hold accountable the powerful figures who allegedly abused them and the institutions that allowed the abuse to go unchecked. Mm-mm-mm. The law has also been used to bring claims against Trump, Cosby, and other celebrities, including Diddy, Russell Brand, and Marilyn Manson, who've all been accused by various women of rape and abuse and have denied the allegations. Under the ASA, hundreds of women also sued hospitals for allegedly allowing HASN, a prominent gynecologist since convicted of ex trafficking, to abuse countless patients for over a decade. Just burn the whole damn United States down, child. Roughly half of the state cases were brought by individuals who claimed they were essayed while in state or city jails and prisons. Okay. Trump accuser E. Jean Carroll notably won a $5 million judgment against the former president in May after she filed suit under the ASA the day the look-back period window opened last year. Last week, Combs was sued in federal court under the law by R&B singer Cassie. We know what happened there. Disgraced movie mogul Harvey Weinstein was sued by actress Julie Ormond in October for an alleged 95 essay. He's denied the allegations. Over 100 men have sued disgraced Manhattan urologist Darius Paduke for essaying them under the guise of medical treatment. Paduke has a criminal case currently pending against him to which he pled not guilty. Child, it's too much. Lord, 1 year isn't enough for victims, lawyers say. Lawyers who specialize in essay cases said the ASA 1 year window was too short, especially in comparison to the CVA's 2 year period extended due to the pandemic that nearly saw 11,000 claims filed in the state. It's completely unfair to tell a survivor of essay that they have 1 year to physically recover from the AB. Now, I'm thinking that if it's from 89, they've had several years, not just 1 year. You see that legal talk? You've had plenty of time to get over it. And I'm not saying get over it in a negative way, but I'm saying get your therapy, work through your issues, file a criminal complaint or anything like that. But when the Survivor Act thing opens up, now you can run on down there because you know that you can try to get some daggone money. Because what we learned, civil means money at the end of the day. So all that time, so people want to ignore this part. So all these times that you was suffering and you care about other women, it's about women, protect women. It's all about Me Too and the sisterhood, all the hoods, right? But you let the person who allegedly did all this to you to potentially and possibly hurt others, but you so concerned and care about women. I'm confused why nobody else is talking about that. I'm just confused why nobody else seems to want to talk about that part. But they're gonna fall for it saying, oh yeah, you're doing it for the women, you're doing it for us. Oh my God, you're the best. You're the best. But from 1989 until 2023, they didn't care about all the women that was being taken out, not deleted, but being hurt, harmed in all that time frame. But you care about women. Got it. Got it. I'm gonna need y'all not to care about me. Okay. I'm gonna need y'all not to care about me if that's how you care about people. I'm just saying. This is unfair and virtually impossible in many cases. Still, DiPietro, who mounted 785 ASA cases, said he and his clients were grateful. He's got 700. This the lawyer. Hold on. Back it on up. It's completely unfair to tell a survivor of essay that they have 1 year to physically recover from the AB, mentally recover from the abuse, find an attorney, share that story of AB with an attorney whom they don't know, and have the attorney file the case all within a 12-month period, said Anthony DiPietro, who has filed hundreds of cases on behalf of alleged victims of HASN, including Baldonado. So he making hand over fist. That is inherently unfair and virtually impossible in many cases. Still, DiPietro, who mounted 785 ASA cases, said he and his clients were grateful to the state legislature for opening up the look back period window to provide victims and survivors an opportunity to come forward and to have a path to justice. Lawyers Susan Kremiller and Carrie Goldberg of the Survivors Law Project, the project has handled roughly 24 ASA cases, said they will be advocating for the legislature to reopen the window for at least a year, working with a state Senator Brad Holman, a Democrat from Manhattan, who originally sponsored the ASA bill. So in other words, it ain't over. Lord. A lot of people didn't know about this window and still don't know about it. Oh, we got to get the word out, y'all. Amenize, come up here. Come on, Amenize, if you got time, come up here. You got time. We want to make sure everybody get more time. And then when that time ends, everybody can get more time. And then when that time ends, everybody can get more time. Because at the end of the day, we want to take down all men because we don't like them. Remember the video where the girl said, I hate when I see a man smiling. It makes me sick. They don't want y'all to be happy. They don't want y'all around. But then we'll turn around and be looking and acting like, how come you're not approaching me? How come you're not doing this? How come you're not doing that? Right? Lord have mercy. This is half damn crazy. Lawyer Mallory Allen, sound like a woman, who has brought now 194 claims against Paduke, said that many of the doctor's possible alleged victims may not know that they might not know, so we gotta let them know, child. They might not know that he's been publicly accused of abuse and have yet to discover that they are not alone. Oh, you are not alone. Rest in peace to Michael Jackson. I know that news of Dr. Paduke hasn't reached the vast majority of his patients. Oh, we got to make sure that we go through everyone. Make sure everybody know now. All right, you want to bring your ass, bring your ass. We're going to open it up so you can come on, bring your ass. All right. I'm certain we will hear about his patients for years to come and will sadly have to tell them the window is closed. We want to be happy to let them know now so they can go ahead and file their claim after 25, 35, 55 years. The three victims speak out about their opportunity to seek justice. Kremiller and Goldberg client Gina Traum, 41, says she's a prime example of taking almost a full year to decide whether to sue a man she claims kidnapped and raped her in Brooklyn in October 2010. I guess that's the doctor. Yeah. Disgraced urologist Darius Paduke has been sued by over 100 men who claim he essayed them under the guise of medical treatment. Lord have mercy. Tron, an adjunct professor and writer now living in Vermont, said she was reluctant to file suit, but eventually changed her mind and bought a claim last week. Oh, I just changed my mind. I'll do it. I want to be able to find justice for myself, she added. It's not going to magically change the past, but I feel it will heal something and it will feel like some kind of closure or some kind of validity. I guess money will do that for you. One of Paduke's victims, Tucker Coburn, said it took him a long time to come to terms with being abused when he was just 18 years old in 2016. When he eventually filed a police report in 2020. Oh, well, at least he filed a police report. Well, I don't hear nobody talking about police reports. I don't hear nobody talking about police reports at all. He filed a police report in 2020. He was told his claims fell outside the statute of limitations. At least he tried, right? I thought that was going to be the end of it. Coburn, now 26, told the Post, so it was really powerful to actually have the opportunity to make something happen. This is Gina Tron. She struggled with whether to sue or not. All right.
We do not care